Greetings to the Hearts of Achievement. Today we are going to see about FAME 2 scheme and how many electric two-wheelers getting the subsidy amount and how much it is. Indian government giving subsidies to 32 types of electric two-wheelers. This scheme has approved with an outlay of 10,000 crore rupees for a period of 3 years, which is commencing from 1st April 2019. This scheme is to generate demand by the way of supporting 7,000 electric buses, 5 lakh electric three-wheelers, 55,000 four-wheelers and 10 lakh two-wheelers. But some companies not giving subsidy properly to the people. They are cheating the people by increasing the actual price amount. Take an example. If the main price of the vehicle is about 80,000, subsidy amount is about 20,000. Then the selling price to the people is about 60,000. But some companies increasing the amount of main price. If the old main price amount is about 80,000 means now they increase the amount to 1 lakh rupees. Subsidy is about 20,000, then the selling price to the people is about 80,000. Now we are going to see about the subsidy amount for the two-wheelers with respective of the manufacturers. Ather Energy, Ather 450 is having two available subsidies. One is 27,000 rupees, another one is 26,732 rupees. I thought like that for a different Ather hubs, they may propose two different subsidies amount for a same model. Subsidy amount for a Ather 450X is about 29,000. Ampere electric vehicles for a Zeal model 18,000 subsidy, Magnus model 18,000 subsidy, Zeal VX1 model 19,600 subsidy, Zeal ZA model 18,000 subsidy. From Okinawa electric scooter, following electric vehicles getting subsidies amount: Rich Plus 17,000 rupees, I Price 26,000 rupees, Price Pro 19,000 rupees, I Price Plus 30,000 rupees. From Jitendra EV Tech Company, JMT 1000HS getting 19,754 rupees subsidy, JMT 1000HS Cargo model getting 19,720 rupees subsidy. From Hero Electric Company, following electric two-wheelers model getting subsidies from FAME 2 scheme. Photon LP 17,000 rupees, NYX HS 500 ER 18,601, Optima HS 500 ER 18,326. Optima Pro 17,248, NYX Bro 18,747, Optima E5 14,572, NYX HX 29,660, NYX E5 15,400, N61A 21,700, NYX N23A 19,000. From Revolt Intellicorp, RV300 getting 27,000 rupees, RV400 getting 30,000 rupees subsidy. From Lithium Ion Electric Solutions Company, Spark model getting 27,465 rupees subsidy. From TVS, iQube model getting 22,500 rupees subsidy. From Benling India, Aura model getting 23,300 rupees subsidy. From Tunwal Electric Vehicles Limited, T133, Storm ZX Plus, TEM G33, Roma S model getting 24,000 rupees. If you are going to buy the above listed vehicles means please ensure the subsidies amounts with a dealer. Please cross-verify the subsidies amounts with the FAME 2 scheme official website, which is given by us in the description below. We also have Renew Tamil channel too. Please subscribe and support us. Regenerating energy, world saving strategy.